Hi and welcome back to our mini-series where we're going to show you some hints and tips around getting the best out of Microsoft Excel. Many businesses use it and this is your chance to learn new skills and wow the people around you with some new Excel knowledge. This time round we're going to cover the COUNTIF formula, allowing you to count lines in a table based on certain criteria. If you have a table of data within Excel and you wish to pull out and count entries based on a particular field, then the formula you're looking for is COUNTIF. This can be used to generate analytical information from within a table of invoices, for example. If you see here, we have a table of invoices and a couple of examples that we may wish to count our information based on. We have territory and we have account. There's two features that we're going to use here that will help us out. The first one is COUNTIF, to create the initial formula, and the fill handle, which we've discussed in a previous video, to aid in duplicating this down our criteria requirements. So we highlight the cell that we wish to publish our result to, click on the insert formula icon, and you're going to search for or find in the table, you can see I've got it here because I've used it recently, the COUNTIF function. It'll pop up with our usual function arguments, and the range in this instance is our table of data, and I'm going to make that an absolute reference because as I copy it down from EX1 to EX2 and UK1, I want to make sure that that range stays exactly the same. And then our criteria, which in this instance is EX1, and then we press OK. And then we will drag that down to the bottom of the table to roll that function down to use these two other criteria. So you can see here that we've got 12 invoices under the territory UK1 and 4 under EX1 and EX2. Now we can do that again with a count. So again, we put our cell where we want our insert formula to go. We choose the insert function, choose COUNTIF, choose our range, and again F4 to make those absolute references. In our criteria, we're going to choose our account. And we're going to copy to the bottom. This time I'm going to double click the corner and that will drag it down. Thank you for joining us in our Excel series. Tune in next time where we'll be covering more features, more functions and more formulas. Thank you.